will see about method overloading. What is method overloading? When a class contains the methods which are having the same name, then we call it as a method overloading. Then how we differentiate between the different methods? The methods will be differentiated based on the number of parameters. If the number of parameters is same, the data type will be different. And if the data type is same, the number of parameters will be same. Let's say with an example of method overloading. So we will declare one class which we call it as method overload. We will declare some methods here. Let's say we are taking one example sum. Here now I am passing here two integer variables to the method sum. Now we will declare again the same method sum but with different number of parameters. Here there were two integer parameters. Now if the data type is similar, when the function is carrying the same integer data type, the number of parameters will have to be different. Similarly, we can take with different data types. Okay, if the number of parameters, suppose we want to keep the number of parameters as same, then the data type will be different. Here we are passing the double data type to these sum functions. So this is all about method overloading. When the method name is same and if the number of parameter is same, the data type will be different. As we are seeing in this sum functions, all the methods are having the same name, that is sum. Here it is carrying two parameters, integer parameters. Now if the number of parameter is same, the data type will be different. So here we are passing one integer data type and the other double data type. And if you want to keep the same data types, the number of parameter will be different. So here there are two integer parameters and here we will pass three integer parameters. Now we will create the main class. I will create the object of the method, that is mo. We will call the sum function. We are passing two integer parameters, so the first function will be called. Now we are passing three integer variable here, so second function will be called. Here we are passing one integer and one double data type, the third parameters will be called. So now we'll see this method over .java file. So now we'll try to compile this program. So what we are seeing here, we have declared one class here, method. We have declared the sum method which is carrying 2 integer parameters. Again the sum method which is carrying 3 integer parameters. And again the sum function which is carrying an integer and a double data type. In the main class we have created the object. Using that object we have called those methods. We are passing the 2 integer variable, 3 integer variable and 1 integer and a double. So method overloading is differentiated based on the number of parameters and the data type. Incompatible types, see. So we'll try to solve this error. So here we are passing the double data type. We'll have to the function the sum will be of double, so we'll have to write here double, just we have copy paste. So therefore we have to not change this data type. Since it is an integer and double, the return type will be double, so the sum will be double. Now you can see the method overloading. Sum is 5, sum is 12, sum is 9.5. So this is all about the method overloading.